Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome to our December new products video. Our first new product is Carpenter Industries. It says Crash Pad. This is for the 87 to 91 Ford Bronco and F-Series pickup. Exact reproduction of the original. Comes in black. It's made of a self-skinning urethane so it won't separate. Has the mounting studs on the back. Comes with the retaining nuts. Again, comes in black, but this can be easily painted with vinyl paint. You can paint it the mocha, the red, the blue, whatever color you want. Again, reproduction crash pad for the 87 to 91 F-Series and Ford Bronco. And our next new product is this Emblem. This is from Carpenter Industries. This fits the 73 to 79 F-Series pickup. This is a custom, goes on the back of the bed. You can put this on any 73 to 79 Ford truck. Originally came chrome from Ford. Dennis Carpenter, we have it in chrome. They came out with this nice, beautiful satin black one. It's a nice emblem, comes with the retaining clips, again, for the 73 to 79 F-Series pickup. This custom emblem for the bed. And our next new product is this control cable. This is for the heater controls for the 87 to 91 Ford Bronco and F-Series pickup. This fits with and without air conditioning. Basically, pull your heater unit out of the heater control unit out of the dash, attach this cable, run it down to the heater box, and this activates it so you can go from defrost to air conditioning to heater. Again, replacement cable, fits the 87 to 91 Ford Bronco and F-Series pickup. And our next new product is this heavy duty floor mat. This is old school stuff here. This is made by Carpenter Industries, licensed through Ford, got the Ford insignia on it, heavy duty rubber. This fits the 65 to 97 two-wheel drive pickup with an automatic trans and the 87 to 97 four-wheel drive with electric shift transfer case. It's a beautiful mat. It's like the old school, lays right over the tunnel, right where your feet go. Heavy duty rubber. Again, fits the 65 to 97 two-wheel drive pickup with an automatic and the 87 to 97 Ford pickup and Bronco with electric shift transfer case. And for our December web truck of the month, we have Jim Ersch's beautiful 86 Bronco. He brought it up here from South Carolina. I want to thank everybody for their support. I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
It's a 1986. And it was all original for the most part. When we went down, me and my wife took a trip down to South Carolina. We wanted something rust-free, kind of hard to find up here. So we took a trip down there, and we kind of had already fallen in love with it just from the pictures, and we kind of had been talking with the guys, so we knew we were, what we were getting. So we got down there and obviously fell in love with it. We towed it home, and then just been chipping away at it, three winters ago, I took it down to Indiana to my sister's. Took a week off. We stripped it down to bare metal, and then he got it in a primer. I came back a couple weeks later. We started putting it back together, and we just did some. It was kind of a fun project because we wanted to do some custom stuff. We wanted to add the hot ginger color because that was one of our favorite Ford colors. So we added the hot ginger pinstripe, and then we had some problems finding an original trim. So we ended up painting that to bring more color into it. It's just got a 6-inch lift on it. These are 33s. Most people go with 35s with 6s, but we didn't want to re-gear it. So it's still got factory gears in it. It's the 351. Really haven't done a whole lot of engine mods to it. Before we went down there, the original block was froze up, and the guy had just dropped in an engine out of a 94 Ford Lightning. Just this past winter, we wanted to get the seats reupholstered. The original was starting to get kind of nasty. The material was in good shape. It was just stained real bad, and we dropped the badges and did custom paint font on these, and we wanted to bring that hot ginger color in, so we added that font to the backs of the seat, and then everything else is original on the interior. We used to take it, up on the sand and but now we spent so much money on the paint. Now this is kind of just a pavement princess for us. And you know, we live on a dirt road, so it still gets some back road cruising. But for the most part, we just get nice days like this, and we get it out. And you know, yeah, Michigan's got so many great back roads. I mean, we just love to go cruise, and it's just cool to have, you know, you get a community like this, and there is something to that saying where metal brings people together, because you meet a lot of cool people.